coming up on what's known as Old Freezeout. So Highway 16 comes down the hill, and it's a fairly new road. I want to say like 80s, 90s. Before 16 was open, they used Old Freezeout to get down here into Emmett. Excuse me. The Autocross Association or the Hill Climb Association, one of the two, uses it once a year to do hill climbs. And you're about to see why. I won't be able to push this a whole lot, obviously, because it's a 5,800 pound pickup truck. But I figured I'd see how it would do, and I'd take you guys along for the ride. So, I've got one or two more turns before we're officially on the hill. But, yeah, so I guess I'll just quiet up, and you guys can sit and enjoy the ride. I'll let you know when we get there. Excuse me. So I believe the starting line for the hill climb, sorry, you're facing the sun, is right around here. And then they come up through this residential area. It might be right here where this dirt lot is, I don't know. But they start here at the bottom of the hill, and they climb the hill. So we're going to turn traction control off. Once we're clear of the residential stuff, start giving her the sauce. I've driven this on my bike as well as taking the Blue Ranger up here. And it's a lot of fun. It's actually really popular with bikers. Okay, here we go. Couple of lookouts on the hill here. You can see the black truck up there. Pretty short run, but it's still fun. I think the average time is about a minute and a half, 2 minutes for hill climb racers. Oh, excuse me. So, just a quick video today. I'm gonna try and post more often if I can. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. We're at 314 subs and we're gaining. Seems like 1 or 2 a week, which is awesome. Tell your friends, actually, if you like this kind of content. I mean, I mix it in with a bunch of other stuff. A lot of it's shop talk, but I get to do some stuff like this, depending on where I'm coming from and where, what I'm driving. Check out the description below. As of March 18th, no, it wasn't the 18th, it was the 24th, March 24th, 2022, I have a campaign running on IndieGoGo about having some parts made for this, for the Ecoboosts. If you feel like chipping in, you could send me money through PayPal or through Patreon, or go there. I'll put the link in the description here as well. But yeah, thanks for watching.